guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to just show you a book that I purchased from Amazon for lettering. I have been practicing how to letter lately. I really wanted to improve my lettering, so I got this from Amazon. I have never seen this book before. I just kind of browsed through the pages when I was trying to order. I know I needed to practice and I need some guidance. And while I was about to actually film this video, I received a happy mail from a friend of mine. I met her. She's in this planner community. She is really great. If you want to check her out, her Instagram account is called at Stephanie Happily Plans. She's really great. She makes good spreads. She also letters. And we are actually doing the Improve Your Handwriting Challenge by Christina Starr. We've been trying to practice lettering as well, but I think she started it way ahead of me. But she was so sweet. She actually sent me this along with other stuff, and it's called CRAYOLIGRAPHY. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a flip through on this one too, because I'm excited to kind of see how this is gonna work for me. Now I'm kind of thinking I should have not gotten this book because I have this one. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a flip through on this one. I just wanna let's see how this works. Okay, so there's that, and then okay, so it does tell you the types of lettering. Also tells you the type of pens and pencils that you can use for doing this. Now they have the lowercase letters. So they have this section right here, and then you can, I guess you can use it to practice. So they have that, and I believe now they have the uppercase script. So same thing, you have spaces to actually do a practice, and then this is the other type of lettering, sans serif. I'm not sure how to pronounce that one, but that's that lettering. So it does give you, I guess there's 3 kinds, so it gives you that space to practice that. Then they have this type. It's a little bold, and again, practice to write all that. And then I see practice words and projects. So I guess you can, they have, okay, so now they have these words that you can actually practice writing it here. So they have those, and then you can actually trace it and then practice. Isn't that fun? I'm excited to actually try it. And let me kind of just flip through the words, okay? So those are the words that you can go ahead and practice, trace and practice. And then they do have projects. So this one, it looks like one of those that you could actually frame and actually, or put on a shirt. That one, then you can actually practice right here. And then I'm gonna just flip through the projects that they have. I'm not sure. Okay, they have Dream Big, Today is the Day, Happy Camper, Shine Bright, Hello Darling, Home Sweet Home. I like this one. See, that would be cute. Oh Happy Day. Okay, so I think that's it for this book. Now I am going to do a quick flip through again of this other one, since I just got this actually like a few minutes ago, and I was too excited, so I opened it right away and I saw this. She gave me a whole other bunch of stuff too, which is like really I can't thank her enough. She's just too sweet. And so this one is also for practicing, but this one I guess they're saying you can use with Crayola, the super tips. I do have them. I have them right here. These are the super tips, Crayola super tips, but I usually use these pens right here. I have these pens right here. This is the Pentel brand. So far, I've tried using other brush pens, like the Tombow. I think those are too advanced for me. The brush is like a little soft and long, but this one has just the perfect size. It's not, I don't know if you can see it, it's not too long and not too hard, not too soft, so it does give me a chance to actually practice on the upstrokes and the downstrokes. So that's what I have been doing for that challenge that we are actually both following. I mean, me and Stephanie, and I think we have other friends that are doing it, but Stephanie is the one that I know that's practicing lettering as well. So this is how it goes. So this one actually has instructions for you. So it does tell you how to do a thin stroke and then how to do a downstroke, that's good. And then it kind of gives you practice, kind of like doodling, I guess. You know, the different strokes. I like that. Here too, it's kind of like letting you practice drawing. You know, like they have small practice strokes, tall practice strokes. I like that, I guess, until you kind of get used to the strokes. And then you have this one. And then if you notice, you can actually tear it off, if you can see it. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and make photocopies so I can have a lot of papers to practice on, because you know, after you use it all up, then it's done. So I think I'm gonna do that. So here are the lowercase, so then a chance to practice. So if you make a copy of it, I guess, you know, that'd be perfect, because then I'll have a lot of, I don't have to buy again just to keep practicing. So this is what it is, and this is the uppercase. So that, I am really excited to try it, because I really need to improve on lettering. Really need to improve. So I like that you can actually trace and then do that. And then they have this practice. It says practice. You, I guess they ask you something like your full name. So I guess you're gonna have to practice writing it in lettering with your full name. It says your 3 favorite colors, 2 cities you would like to visit, 3 names of friends. I like that. So it's kind of like practicing on a daily basis, like writing what you actually want to write, not like copying from some words, like, you know. So I guess once you kind of get used to writing the words, then this would be perfect. I think I'm going to make a lot of copies of this one as well. Now they have blank ones too, to just practice writing phrases or maybe create your own words. So I like that as well. And I like this one, Life is Art, Live Yours in Color. So that is it. So if you guys are into lettering and you want to do practice, you can probably get one of these or get one of these. I think both of them are pretty good, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to use them actually right now. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.